It's a 2024 BMW X7. It doesn't just offer views, it offers vistas. It isn't just nice, it's class-defining luxury. It isn't just big, it's spacious with grace and agility. The X7 doesn't do ordinary, it does legendary. It's well-equipped with the features you need. Automatic GPS-linked transmission, active front and rear anti-roll, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, automatic parking sensors, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, power tilting steering column, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and multi-zone climate control. Built for those who don't compromise on quality or driving pleasure. Built to be a BMW. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today. Call us today at 813-565-0061.